Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Shortcuts and choosing the shortcut you want to change. This gets you straight into the workflow. Once done, tap the three dots to reveal actions so you can edit where the app is defined. Make sure to look for actions like Open App, Open URLs, or Run Shortcut that reference an app. You're doing this now to avoid guessing later, because precise selection prevents breaking automations and preserves input and output between actions. Next, locate the specific action that launches or links to the app so you can swap it. Tap the Actions app field and pick a different app from the list, or use the search box to find it fast. As you change it, check subsequent actions. They may expect text, URLs, or files. If necessary, insert a conversion action such as get details, text, or encode to match the new app's input. This prevents runtime errors and keeps the shortcut reliable. Finally, run the shortcut and watch each step to confirm the new app opens and receives the right data. This is how you verify success. If everything looks good, tap Done to save and optionally update the icon or name for clarity. If it fails, make sure the app has permission, check the input types for mismatches, and reauthorize within settings if required. That single troubleshooting step solves most broken handoffs between apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.